Hey Stampy, what's going on? I made a model of you made out of bricks. They're kind of for little boys and girls, but there's the arms, the feet, the little body, then that's an eye, and that's the mouth. Hope you like it! Oh, and I've got a Minecraft shirt on. Bye, Stampy!